Alright people, we're gonna make some focaccia bread. It'll be good. It goes good with soup, pasta. So first we'll add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 2.5 cups of semolina flour, 1/8 cup of kosher salt, and 1/8 of a cup of dough enhancer or bread conditioner. Alright, now I have some water that I've heated up to pretty close to 100 degrees. I'm going to add some yeast. Just mix that up. And to that we're going to add a 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil and a 1/2 cup of honey. We'll add that extra virgin olive oil and honey mixture, and we'll give that a good mix. Alright, we have all of our wet ingredients. We're going to just pour that into the mixing bowl, and we have some dry ingredients. We'll add some of that in there. Alright, I added the rest of the dry ingredients. I have a pan here that I've been getting ready. Greased it with some extra virgin olive oil. Looks like that dough ball's starting to form. You can see that dough ball is now pulling away from the bowl. So I think it's just about done. Okay, I have that dough ball ready to roll out. And I'm going to transfer it to the pan. Right, the dough is in the pan. Put a light coat of extra virgin olive oil on the top of the dough, and now we're going to wrap up the pan and the dough. Okay, now that we got the pan wrapped, we're going to set it right over here, and we're going to preheat the oven. Make sure there's nothing in it. Yeah. And we'll go 375. Just took it off of the stove. It's been resting for about an hour and a half. I'm going to take the plastic wrap off. I'm just going to add some little holes in which we will fill with some extra virgin olive oil, some kosher salt, usually you can add rosemary at this point, but I'm not going to do that. I don't have any fresh rosemary, so I'm just going to use the extra virgin olive oil and kosher salt. We'll put the bread into the oven at 400 degrees, 20 minutes. Okay, let's take a look at this. It's looking pretty nice.